Hey there! Want to speed up your Windows 10 PC? I've got some effective methods to share with you. First, let's optimize performance. Close those background apps that are consuming resources without you even realizing it. Launch Settings. Click on Privacy. And select Background Apps. Toggle off anything unnecessary. Next, disable startup apps that are slowing you down. Open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any programs you don't need launching at startup. And don't forget to update your device drivers. Outdated drivers can really slow down your PC. For updating drivers, you need to press Windows key plus X to open this menu. And then go to the Device Manager. After that, select anything you want to update, and then select Action, and then Update Drivers. After updating the drivers, you'll get better performance in gaming or any other computation. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, then you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Bye!